Let's talk about Royal Catering RCWF-7L-H sausage stuffer sausage filler 7-liter capacity stainless steel. Sausage filler 7-liter capacity 2-speed transmitter. Stainless steel professional use, easy cleaning and handling. 4 nozzles included, air valve tested quality. Usable by left and right-handed people. Dimensions: LxWxH 30 by 30 by 76.8 cm, weight 11 kg. Shipping dimensions: LxWxH 84 by 37.5 by 37 cm, shipping weight 14.10 kg. Wow, been through a few sausage stuffers and the last one was so difficult to turn it took 2 people. This one is a solidly built unit with good gearing and can easily be used by 1 person. Almost effortless to turn handle, easy to refill, quick to use. Well worth paying the extra for a branded product with spares available and excellent quality. Did a lot of research before I purchased this item for making homemade sausages. It is very well made and quality steel. Easy to operate and clean. Really pleased with my purchase. Have already recommended to friends and family. Good and solid, makes stuffing sausages and pleasure.